Hey, Himanshu Best with withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be discovering how to create your sales funnels with the help of WordPress. So if you have created your sales funnel with Clickfunnels or Kartra or any other SaaS-based company, and if you're looking to build a sales funnel on WordPress, this video is going to be really helpful for you because I'm going to be revealing how and why I moved from ClickFunnels to WordPress and why you might be wanting to do the same. And in fact, what do you really need if you want to start building sales funnels and you want to sell your online courses or coaching, consulting uh, directly from your website? Now, let's understand this, okay? So think about it. When you are using a SaaS-based company for building your sales funnels, you are kind of renting your funnels on those companies. That means you are relying on their performance for your business. And in fact, it's totally different when you are building your funnels on WordPress. Because at one point, if you are not happy with the host, then you can move to another person, if and your business will still be running. But it's not the case when you are using ClickFunnels. You need to stick to ClickFunnels because you are paying them $100 or sometimes $300 every month, right? And another reason why I decided to switch is because in fact, I am not a big fan of saving money on building your business because I truly believe that you do not really have to be cheap when you are building something great, right? There is like no reason you should be doing it. You cannot compromise with the quality. But at the same time, most of the time, a lot of people who are spending money on ClickFunnels and Kartra and other SaaS-based softwares, they're not really using those softwares uh, for that much features that they provide. So that simply means you are kind of wasting your money. So it's not investment. You are literally wasting money because you are not making best use of their features, and that money you can save and you can invest in advertising and in other operations, right? And so that was the reason why I decided to move from ClickFunnels to WordPress. And in this video, you are going to be understanding what do you really need if you want to build a complete funnel on WordPress. What are the different challenges and like how can you overcome this? And then I'm going to be giving you the exact step-by-step roadmap that you can follow if you are completely new to this world of sales funnels and you really want to make best use of it to sell affiliate products, or if you want to sell your online courses or coaching. This is going to be really helpful for you. Okay, so let's talk about the tools that you really need. Now let's think about it. If you want to build your sales funnel, you really need a landing page builder. That means you can create really juicy landing page where people can come, they can get excited about your products, and then they really love putting their name details and all the stuff that you want them to give. And then you want them to move to the next phase of the funnel, that's sales page, right? So first phase of this funnel is lead generation, and second is the sales. So you need a landing page software. So I use this tool called Thrive Architect, and what it does, it helps me to create my beautiful landing pages, stunning, really amazing landing pages within just few clicks. And I don't really need to do a lot because they have done most of the things for conversion optimization. So your sales funnels that you are designing on WordPress, you can make sure that you are not getting too technical about it, because that's the kind of challenge with WordPress. A lot of people think it's too technical if you are an entrepreneur, but it's not the case when you are using Thrive Architect. So I use this tool for creating my landing pages. Second thing that you need is a checkout system. So you want to take payments from people, right? And at the same time, the real power of sales funnels is in their upsell and downsell. So this is the kind of property what people have seen, like marketers have done this research and they have realized that 33% of the people who are buying your products, they're also going to buy the second level of the products, that your upsell. So that means you need a checkout system that also comes with an upsell. So if you will go to my description, I have shared one really good tool that's called Upsell plugin. that you can use for creating your upsells. Okay, so in fact you can sell your courses, physical products. So if you are creating a sales funnel for e-commerce, that is also possible if you are using upsell plugin. Okay, and third thing that you need is an email marketing engine. Now, email marketing is kind of important because let's say people, you cannot really lose people, right? A lot of people try to sell very quick, but most of the people who are visiting your website will actually leave in their first go, right? So they will visit the website, but let's say their internet is not running fast, or they got something else, or they are just, you just did some mistake, your offer is not good enough, but you do not want to lose them, right? Never lose a customer. So what do you really want is to have an email marketing system so that you can follow up with them again. So I use this tool known as Get Response, and it's a kind of a different software. You cannot, it's not related to WordPress, but you can use their plugins. And in fact, I use this tool Thrive Architect, and you can connect Get Response for email marketing with your Thrive Architect. Okay, so it becomes like very simple system. So you are connecting your WordPress website with your email marketing engine, and it's completely runs on autopilot. So you don't really need to manually put all the emails that are coming to your website again to your email marketing system. It's all happening on autopilot, and it is running for you 24/7, right? So it's kind of fun. And then another thing that you need is a delivery system. So now once you created your system, once you created your sales funnel with WordPress, now you need to deliver your products, right? So if you are using Thrive Architect, that I have shared the link below this video, that I use for delivering my products as well. For example, if I am delivering my courses, okay, let's say I am selling my online course and I'm selling it for $10. So what I really want to do is to deliver this somewhere. So Clickfunnels and Kartra, these software that are SaaS-based sales funnel softwares, they provide a membership area. So where you can deliver the product, right? You can deliver your videos and or ebook or whatever you are selling or you are giving for free. So that's a delivery system that you need. Okay, in the same way, you can do it on WordPress. You can simply go to your WordPress dashboard and you can go to add new page and you can create a different page. And this is where you can host your video. And if you are using Thrive Architect, you can create a complete new design for it. And this will help you to quickly create a sales funnel. So now let's understand what is the roadmap that you really need to follow if you are building your sales funnel with WordPress. So first thing that you need to create is a lead generation page, right? So where people can come, they can put their name, details, and then once they signed up, now you need to move them to your sales page, right? So sales page is the page where you will be talking about your product that you want to sell them. And this is where you will be monetizing the traffic that is coming to your website, right? So that's the game plan. So if you want to create your sales funnel, sales page is that part that is going to be monetizing your idea, right? So sales pages you can create with Thrive Architect. Okay, then once people will click on that that button, let's say on sales page you said I have an amazing product and I want you to buy this and I'm giving you 50% discount, something like this. And at the same time you are actually being genuine, you are not faking it. That's very important. Do not fake this. Keep it simple, keep it real. And let's say you you created a button over there, okay, and people are clicking on that button, and now you want them to move to the checkout system where they can pay the money and they can get the thing, right? They can so you can deliver the product, right? That's the idea. So at this moment you need an upsell page, right? You need an upsell page. So they signed up, they made the payment. Now you are upselling them, and that you can do with upsell plugin. And then the last thing that you need in this sequence is a delivery system where you are telling them, thank you so much for joining my program, or thank you so much for buying this product. This is the page, and you are giving them instruction how they can download this, how they can get them shipped, or how they can, like, what is going to be happening next, right? So because at this moment they are waiting for their product to get delivered, right? Or you might also say, check out your email because this is where I have sent you all the instructions, something like this, right? So that's like a simple 4-step funnel that you need. And I don't think you really need a really expensive and fancy setup for this sales funnel, because sales funnel is just one part of building a business. If you want to create a solid business, then you need a lot of things. This game is not just about sales funnel. You need an authority. What do you really want is to have an authority in this business, or you want to be the expert authority in the topic that you are talking about, right? So if you are selling parenting, or if you are a relationship coach, or if you are a trainer, right? Or if you are selling an online course, people are looking for the right information, and you need to be the expert authority that really cares for them if you want to grow your business, right? This is the unsexy part of business, and this is where you need to focus most. So this is why I have created a lot of videos on this channel. If you have not subscribed, I would appreciate, and you will get a lot of knowledge for growing business in a soulful manner without selling your soul. Okay, so this is what you really need. Create your system, create this funnel, and I have shared all the resources below this in my description. And let me know in the comment box what you really want to create and how you are using this information. And I'm really looking forward to see you in the next video. Take care.